Welcome to Education Hub. In this video, we are going to learn about Cube Interconnection Network. The Cube network can be implemented as either a recirculating network or as a multi-stage network for SIMD machine. SIMD means single instruction multiple data stream. This is the cube network for n equal to 8. This is three-dimensional cube. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, 1. Here vertical lines connect vertices, that is processing elements whose addresses differ in the most significant bit position. Here vertical lines are 0, 4. Here addresses differ in the most significant bit position. That is most significant bit is 0, 0, 0, that is 1, 0, 0. Here vertical lines connect vertices whose addresses differ in the most significant bit position. 0, 4, 1, 5, here 0, here is 1. 3, 7, 0, 1. 2, 6, 0, 1. Now, vertices at both ends of the diagonal lines differ in the middle bit position. Here diagonal are 0, 2, 1, 3, 4, 6 and 5, 7. 0, 2 means 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Middle bit position here 0 to 1. In 1, 3 that is 0 to 1. 4, 6, 0 to 1, 5 to 7, 0 to 1. Horizontal lines differ in the least significant bit position. Horizontal lines are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. Least significant bit 0, 1. Here 0, 1. 0, 1 and 0, 1. So, vertical lines connect vertices whose addresses differ in the most significant bit position and diagonal lines differ in the middle bit position. Horizontal lines differ in the least significant bit position in the cube interconnection network. The implementation of a single stage cube network for n equal to 8 is this is the recirculating cube network. Here the interconnection of the P is corresponding to the three routing function, that is C0, C1 and C2 are shown separately. Thus here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0, 2, 1, 3, 4, 6, 5, 7. 0, 4, 1, 5, 2, 6 and 3, 7. कैसे बनाया है ये आपने recirculating network? Here interconnection of the PEs. This is the interconnection 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is CO0 routing function. And C1 routing function is 0, 2, 1, 3, 4, 6 and 5, 7. And C2 routing function is 0, 4, 1, 5, 2, 6 and 3, 7. So this is the recirculating cube network. This is single stage network. The same set of cube routing function, that is C0, C1 and C2 can also be implemented by a three-stage cube network for n equal to 8. This is the 3-stage cube network, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 2, 1, 3, 4, 6, 5, 7, 0, 4, 1, 5, 2, 6, 3, 7, 0, 0, 7, 7. Here 1 को 1 से कंबाइन कर दीजिए, 2 को 2 से, 3 को 3 से, 4 को 4 से, 5 को 5 से, 6 को 6 से, एंड 7 मैंने भी बताया ही है। 0 एंड 7 का सेम यहीं पे ही रहेगा। सिमिलरली 2 को कंबाइन कर दीजिए, इधर 2 इधर स्विचेस से, 1, 3, 4, 6, 5, 7 एंड लास्ट में 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 1, 5, 2, 6, 3 and 7. J, K, L. These 4 are the switches. These are the switches for stage 0. These are the switches for stage 1 and these are 4 stages for stage 2. Now come to shuffle exchange and omega network. The class of shuffle exchange network is based on two routing functions, shuffle and exchange. The shuffle exchange function has been implemented with the multi-stage omega network. The omega network for n equal to 8. An n into n omega network consists of n identical stages. Between two adjacent stages is a perfect shuffle interconnection. Each stage has n by 2 switch boxes. For example, n equal to 8, n by 2, that is 8 by 2, 4. So here 4 switches under independent box control. Each box has 4 functions, that is straight exchange, upper bound, lower broadcast. The switch boxes in the omega network can be repositioned without violating the perfect shuffle interconnection between stages. Here, this is the shuffle exchange network for n equal to 8, that is omega network, shuffle exchange network. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 4, 1, 5, 2, 6, 3, 7. Similarly यहाँ पे भी हम as it is लिख देते हैं. एंड ये हमारा है रिसर्कुलेटिंग नेटवर्क ही 0 to 4, 6, 1, 3, 5, 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. कनेक्ट कर दीजिए इधर 4 को 4 से, 1 को 1 से, 5 को 5 से, 2 को 2 से, 6 को 6 से, 3 को 3 से एंड 7 को 7 से. सिमिलरली यहाँ पे भी आप कनेक्ट कर दीजिए एंड यहाँ पे आपका 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the omega network with switch box repositioning. Here, यहाँ पे हमने स्विच बॉक्स की रिपोजिशनिंग करी है. EFGH था, यहाँ पे EGFH कर दिया है. बाकी एज इट इज वो 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 7, 0, 4, 1, 5, 2, 6, 3, 7. Here 0, 2, 1, 3, 4, 6, 5, 7. And here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. सिंपल कनेक्ट कर दीजिए. 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, 6, 7. 4, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3, 7. Here 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the n cube network. switchbox in the omega network can be repositioned without violating the perfect shuffle interconnection between stages. The two networks differ in two aspects, cube network and the reposition omega network. The differences are the cube network uses 2 function switchboxes, whereas the omega network uses 4 function switchboxes. The data flow direction in the two networks are opposite to each other. In other words, the role of input-output lines are exchanged in the two networks. Suppose we wish to establish the input-output connection 0 to 5. 0 to 5 and 1 to 7. The omega network can perform this task, whereas the n-cube network cannot. On the other hand, the n-cube network can connect 5 to 0 and 7 to 1, but the omega network cannot. In general, the omega network can perform one-to-many connection, while the n-cube network cannot. However, if one consider only bijection, that is one-to-one connection, the n-cube and omega network are functionally equivalent by some relabeling techniques. Okay, now number of stage, how to find out the number of stage? That is log n and base 2. So here n equal to 8, that is log 2 ki power 3. So there are 3 stages. And how to find out the switches? N by 2. N is 8. 8 by 2, that is 4 switches. Thank you. Kindly like and subscribe my channel.